Sawadee Krap from Thailand. It's 2:35 here, so it's 3:35 in Manila. So kakain lang kami, maybe pumunta ng supermarket and mag-check out ng mga pwedeng pasalubong, yung Big C supermarket. Tapos mamayang gabi, we'll try the nightlife and hopefully sa weekend, makalabas kami ng Bangkok. Yung pantay nila, 100 to 120 lang. Ito, ano kaya to? Yung artist nila, gapomelo na. Samantala yung mga artist natin, mga pa-sweet. Ang laki nito, oh. Artist. Mango. May buto, hindi ko alam kung ano. You accept card? MasterCard.
Okay, no problem.
It's an electric car. Tapos you can bring it sa camping and charge everything. Ang galing.
1,250.
Oh my god, just for the leash. Hindi, harness lang yun. Yung leash wala pa.
Oh my god,
Time check. It's now... Napatingin si ate. 5:02 p.m. local time. So, 6:02 p.m. Manila time. Dapat magko-coffee shop kami doon sa Central World. Dahil sa sobrang laki niya, ang hirap maghanap ng coffee shop. I'll have fresh matcha latte.